Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make thumbnails, posters, edit videos, make just everything you possibly can that's related to graphics design using a free website or app, depending on how you want to use it, called Canva. Now, Canva is a website in which you can essentially create anything you want. You know, you could create thumbnails if you want to. You could create, just like I said at the beginning of the video. And it's free, but you can of course upgrade to the premium plan, which offers of course a lot of additional perks and features, but we're going to be sticking to the free version for now. So what you want to do is you want to open up your web browser, just any web browser. First of all, I'd like to clear up some things. So like I said, there are two plans for Canva. There's the free version, and it gives you some pretty normal, regular stuff that's actually pretty good. You know, you have it actually has AI in it, which is pretty cool. You know, enough cloud storage. I mean, that's not a lot, but you know, that's sufficient, especially for people who are not going to be doing a lot of stuff. You know, not like really hard, proper work. Anyway, there's also Canva Pro. Now, once you're going to be using Canva, you're going to see a lot of templates and a lot of, you know, like for example, if you're going to be making a thumbnail and you want to add like a specific effect or a specific like template, it might have a little crown on it, which essentially means that it's only for pro Canva users, and it's $55 a year. Also, you can start a free trial if you want to, and it has the following features. So like we said, we have 5 gigabytes of storage in the free version and 1 terabyte of storage in the paid version, which is a massive difference. In addition, you can also download it, so it's available for Windows. It also says here for Mac OS, iOS, and Android. So these are two things that I just wanted to say before we can begin. Alright, now this is how Canva looks like once you're logged in, once everything is done. So as you can see, we're going to start off from the left, as you can see here, guys. So here we have the account. First, it's a personal account, and it's free. It's not a pro account or anything. As you can see, it literally tells me try pro for 30 days. Anyway, home, this is basically what you got. It'll tell you, you know, it'll give you like a set of templates you could start off with. So I want to create a website. Check out how many things you can create. Look at this. You could create a document, which is pretty normal, but what I really like about this website is that you can also create presentations, you know, social media, like for example, Instagram stories. I'll show you a lot of templates. You can also create websites and edit videos, a lot of stuff. And if you don't want to do any of this stuff, you can literally create your own size right here and type in your own resolution. And I've already typed some resolutions here, for example, as just, you know, an example. Let's go back to our left side here, and we could see projects. So if we click on projects, it'll display all the projects that I've made. Anyway, I'm gonna blur a lot of this stuff out because it's really, you know, I really don't want to show it to you guys because a lot of it is secret. A lot of it involves thumbnails, Instagram stories. By the way, follow me on Instagram. My first ever time I ever plugged my Instagram. So it just gives you like all the stuff that you've made in terms of videos. Actually, these are like some props from my top 10 videos that I made. So now we're gonna go to the templates, as you can see. So like I said, there are a lot of really nice templates here, thumbnail templates here. It looks like some, maybe like some flyers or some posters here. Here we have some kind of what could this be? Oh, Instagram stories, yeah. Whiteboard, profile pictures, and a lot of other stuff. Cool logos, I forgot about these. And profile banners. Oh my god, I did not know this. I'm actually like learning while I'm making this tutorial. I did not know you could make Discord profile banners. So for the templates, like I said, there are also a lot of other stuff here, such as, for example, photos, like I said. So these are some photos you could use, some icons you could use, like for example, little arrows or whatever. Yeah, see, like this. And if anything is like pro, there will be a little crown would be labeled on it. So yeah, some other features, creators, you know, these are just popular creators, I guess, on Canva. I haven't really checked a lot into this stuff, but anyway. So this is your brand, or if you want to create a brand. In addition to brand templates, I'm not going to go through a lot of this in extremely detailed manner. Anyway, Canva also has apps as well. Like, I'm pretty sure there's ChatGPT here. So you can see productivity, you got all the major ones here. You got Google Drive, you got Dropbox, Box as well. They are really popular storage apps. You got Google Ads, LinkedIn, PowerPoint, Twitter. I mean, these are some massive companies and some massive apps that are integrated into Canva, and you can use them whenever you want. So that's for the left bar right here. Now if we want to scroll down, or let's just say I want to create a design, like any kind of design, I'll choose from here. Let's say, for example, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So it'll just create a blank page for me here. Let me show you just how easy to use Canva really is. So now, as you can see, you guys, we have a lot of templates here. It gives you a set of templates. In addition to recently used ones that I've used recently, it's really self-explanatory. Like I said, if you can see here, it says Pro, so I can't use it. If I click on it, it'll tell me to upgrade to Canva Pro, which is a little bit of an unfortunate thing, but whatever. So I just choose whatever there is. Let's say, for example, I'm interested in this one. Now, what it does is it breaks down everything layer by layer. Text layers here, you got little squares, you got the robot here running, we got a little shadow effect. So I want to remove a lot of this stuff. You know, I could change this to, for example, anything you could type in whatever you want, you know, test thumbnail, for example, because I really don't know what I should type. If you want to remove something, all you could do is you could just click on it. Do not double click on it. Otherwise, if it's a text, if you double click on it, you'll like modify the text. Click on it once and then click delete. And for regular images, just click once and delete. Now, for example, if I don't like this background here, I'll just tap on the background and it'll tell you edit the image. So I'm gonna edit the image here. Well, I could change the filters of the specific gradient. Let's do a little color pop. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. But what if I don't like I entirely don't like this? I want to change it. I can go to this background color, and what I really love about this is that it gives you colors from the photo, which I really like, so that it goes well with the thumbnail and the other layers of the thumbnail, such as, for example, squares or little effects. These are gradients. This is, by the way, the website that I use for my thumbnails. So let's say, for example, I click on this gradient, and I want to change the color of this. I just go here, I just select the square I want to change, or the layer I want to change in general, and then click color, and then there you are. You've got a set of colors here. I could change it to a gradient if I want to. For the text, you could do a lot of things again. You could change, for example, the fonts. Here you go, a bunch of fonts. But what if I want to add something? Well, what you could do here is you can click on elements. Elements, it gives you a set of a bunch of things, really. So, for example, I can go to graphics. Let me choose a little graphic to, you know, spice up the thumbnail a little bit, you know. I like this, for example. It's going to be pointing to, I don't know, something. I'm just going to put it here. There's also collections. I forgot about these. Little stickers you could put on the thumbnail. Magic recommendations. These are what I really like. These are like tailored to the specific theme you chose. So I chose an artificial intelligence thumbnail. So it's going to give me AI themed graphics here. So you got, you know, like the little chip here, the socket and stuff. You got AI written all over here. I could put it here, for example. I can rotate it, you know, rotate it however I want. It's really customizable, and you can completely change these these default templates to whatever you like. That's what I really love about Canva, by the way. You can add text, so add text however you want, you know, whatever you like. So I'll change it to something a little bright so it could be more visible. I'll just, oh, that's a little too big. Anyway, I'll click on it once so I can drag it. So click on it once so you can delete it and drag it. Click on the text twice so you can modify it. So I like this font. I really like this font. So I want to put test. Oh my god. I'm really uncreative, but whatever. Yeah, this is some brand stuff that I talked about, the brand kit. I don't really know a lot about this stuff. Uploads. So this shows you the recently uploaded things, the things you recently uploaded to your Canva. And I can draw whatever I want. You know, I could draw an arrow. I could draw maybe a little line here to emphasize something, for example. I could change the thickness, obviously. Projects, so this just gives you the recently created projects. So this will open up the projects, and first I'll ask you, are you sure you want to replace it? So either replace it to the current page, which is this project, and you could create a new page, which, as you can see, it says right here, add page. So let's say I want to add that as a page. So this is my Instagram story that I just made. Alright, now we're done with that. Like I said, Canva also has apps. So you got a lot of apps here, ranging from different categories. So AI powered ones right here. Yeah, a lot of great apps here. Also, you can make mockups. So I'll show you how to make one. So I like, for example, I want to make a mug. Here it is. Now what I could do is I can just grab whatever image I like and just put it into the AI, and it'll load it. Yeah, and you got an AI mug. Let me show you how to do that again. Go to mockups. Let's say, for example, I want to make a phone case. I can insert an image. So specifically, for example, I want an element. So I have an image right here. I want to simply drag it right next to these little fields right here. really close until it becomes grayed out, and then release. And there it is. It's that simple. By the way, this video is going to be divided into timestamps. So yeah, this is really what we have in terms of the thumbnails and just images in general. And then once you're done with your project, you can just click on share and then click on download, and then you could set the image however you want. For example, if I want to create a magazine, I could go to PDF prints, and I'm going to have a lot of pages. If I made a edited video, by the way, I'm going to show you how to edit a video in Canva, don't worry. And then once you're done with that, just click on download. Now let's exit out of this project. It's, you know, pretty basic, not much going on. And then we want to go to, so this is my top 10 video that I made. I'll show you how I made it. That's very basic. This is extremely basic editing right here. So all you really can do is you could just add videos. It's really simple. Just go to File Explorer, drag and drop. It's that easy. Or you know what? Let's demonstrate it. Why not? Throw a video here. So either combine it with a video. That's probably gonna replace it. Yeah, replace it. So if I want to replace a clip, just overlay it when you're dragging it. But if you want to put it separately, you could just put it in between two clips and it'll label it, or if you could tell, it became a little line appeared, meaning that I could just place it like that. And for example, I could split this. You could put it around here. You know, not much. You don't have a lot of choices, to be completely honest. You could add text, obviously. You could add little elements here and there, but that's really it. You could add music, as you can see here. So yeah. That's all there is to it. That's it, you guys. That's all there really is to Canva. It's a really good, excellent, versatile website or app if you want to download it on Windows 10 or iOS or Mac or whatever. You can create whatever you want. You could create an Instagram story. You could edit a YouTube video. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you.